There are three main risks associated with real estate investment. The first risk is property transactions. It can get very complicated, and it takes at least 3 to 4 months to complete the ownership transfer. The amount of legal documentation involved, especially regarding loan matters, must be taken into consideration. It'll take even longer if you're dealing with leasehold properties, as it involves the state's consent. For instance, if you intend to sell your property in June, you should be more than happy that the transaction concludes before December. This may cause problems in cases where you really need to sell the property due to an emergency, such as having business problems, death, or divorce. Having said that, it indicates that property is not a liquid asset, and you won't be able to collect your money in a relatively short period of time. Property can take some time to sell, where the price may fluctuate as it's dependent on the market. This may result in a significant loss in underlying value for the owner, especially during times of economical crisis. Most investors face financial difficulty as they've spent most of their funds on a property investment, but it could not be sold, or it was sold at a lower price. Now let's focus on the risks associated with rental property. After purchasing the property, it is possible that you will not be able to rent it out right away. Searching for potential tenants may take some time, and if this is the case, you may have to incur extra costs from mortgage repayments or property maintenance. Realistically speaking, this period may be a struggle due to shortage of income. There will also be times where you need to pay the discrepancies when the rental income is less than the repayment of the mortgage.